Hello everybody and welcome to PixMux Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to add an audio source in OBS. Let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open OBS Studio. Now that OBS Studio is open, you're going to want to hit the little plus button here where it says sources. And you're going to want to choose audio input device. You can name it whatever you would like. Currently I have add existing, but I'm going to show you the whole process. So let's click OK. And from here, I'm going to choose the microphone array and hit OK. At the very bottom here, you can actually see the audio meter bouncing back and forth. If you click the little speaker button right here, that'll mute it. You also can adjust the volume level by this little slider bar. We're going to turn that all the way up. You don't want to bounce too far in the red because it'll start causing clipping and your audio won't sound good. Another option is to select this gear right here, and you can go to Properties or Advanced Audio Properties. If you choose Advanced Audio Properties, you actually can listen to your audio input device in a pair of headphones. There is a slight delay, but it does allow you to monitor what your voice is going to sound like. Well, that's all there is to it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you want to see my previous videos on how to install OBS Studio and how to add a video device, just check them out on my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace.